Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Cadillac SRX headlight. Before we begin, gather your tools. You will need a trim tool, a flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Always wear gloves and safety glasses for protection. Make sure your new bulb is readily available. Park your Cadillac SRX on a flat surface and turn off the engine. It is important to let the old bulb cool for at least 5 to 10 minutes to avoid burns. Now, let's gain access to the headlight bulb. For the passenger side, you will need to remove the air intake hose and the air box cover. This usually involves loosening one hose clamp and releasing 3 clips. On the driver's side, carefully remove the fuse box cover by squeezing its 3 retaining clips. Once these are out of the way, you should have enough room to reach the back of the headlight assembly and locate the circular dust cover. With access clear, it is time to replace the bulb. First, twist the dust cover counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and remove it. Next, disconnect the wiring harness from the bulb by pushing a small tab and pulling. Now, grasp the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise 1/4 turn and carefully pull it out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass. Align its tabs, insert it, and twist it clockwise 1/4 turn to secure it in place. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the dust cover, twisting it clockwise 1/4 turn to seal the headlight assembly. Now, reassemble any components you removed, such as the air intake or fuse box cover, securing all clips and bolts. Before finishing, turn on your Cadillac SRX's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, complete the final reassembly steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.